Welcome back. Now, when you are inside of your live stream, there is one link that you can use in order to share to other places, and that's at the bottom of your right-hand corner. So, for example, if you look to the right-hand corner and you click this hyperlink, you can take that link and you can post that to other places. Now, the other link you can share is going to be available to you when you have this setting enabled inside of your live stream, and that is to promote on my channel page when the event is live. That means then that if you're sharing your channel page, the individual will be able to watch your live stream on this page. Now, the link that you're going to share that will be permanent will be your channel link and the word live after it. So for example, in this case, you'll see the channel name and then you'll see the word live after it. And this is where your visitors will be able to come whenever you have a live stream. And that live stream will be playing here on your front page. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. In conclusion, now before you get into strategic tools such as social media and search engine optimization, it's a good idea to understand the tools that YouTube has given you to make sure that your video is widely distributed. And in this course, that is what we have focused on. You now know how to use your direct shareable link and to make it available in those places where people might see and join your live stream. You now know how to download your video in MP4 format and upload it to other locations. And we've reviewed all of the channel promotional tools, whether or not you're talking about your channel art, your links, or even your channel trailer. We also discussed how you can create your playlist and make them available on your channel homepage. And we've discussed the video post-production process. Everything from blurring information to thumbnails, in-screen, cards, subtitles, playlists, and your advanced settings. We also discussed adding audio to your video, as well as working with your subscribers. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you either in another video or in another course. Welcome back. Now, another thing that you can do when you are doing a live event is you can embed the link on one of your web pages. So for example, if we were to take another live event and we were to create one from YouTube Live here, and we were to start the live event, our Hangout would start and we would be broadcasting live on YouTube Live. We can go inside of our page by clicking this edit button. And we can then click View on Watch Page. And you'll notice then that our stream is live here. And what we would do then is we would then go to the Share button. We would then click the Embed button. We can then take care of the embed options, grab the code, and then head to our website. And of course, we're just using WordPress as an example. You can use the site builder that you find most helpful. We're going to put in our code after a center code. Once we have it, we're then going to click Publish. And then we'll view our post here. Now you need to give the individuals instruction to click this button. But as soon as they did, they would then be watching our stream live as it happened. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, another thing you can do is you can post an excerpt of your live stream once the recording has been completed to your social media sites. Now, obviously, the social media sites favor those videos that are native to their platform and those that you upload directly. So what you're going to do is you're going to go inside of your Creator Studio. Once you get inside of your Creator Studio, you're then going to look for the video that you want to post an excerpt of. You'll then need to go inside of your Video Manager. Once you get to your Video Manager, what you're going to do is you're going to go to this drop-down arrow. You're then going to click Download MP4. So in the case of Facebook, you'll just click the Add Photo or Video button. You'll select the video. You'll write in your commentary, and then you'll click Post. In the case of LinkedIn, what you're going to do is you're going to go to your post area. You're then going to click Share Videos. You'll then grab your video, and then you'll click Upload. You'll write in your commentary, and then you'll click Post. In terms of Twitter, what you're going to do is click the Tweet button. You'll then click this button where you have this file chosen. You'll grab your video. You'll click Open with free conference call. Now Twitter is going to allow you to create an excerpt regardless. So it's only going to allow you a certain amount of time for your video to play. So you'll select your excerpt. You'll then click Done. And then your post will update with your video. Now obviously if the goal is going to be for people to watch your live stream, you don't want to put the entire recording of your content on the social media sites. What you're going to do is you're going to pull it into your video editing software. In this case, we're using an older version of Camtasia. We're then going to pull this down to the timeline. We're going to select an excerpt. We're going to cut off most of it. And then we're going to put our call to action at the beginning and the end in terms of some kind of slide or overlay. And basically what you'll do with this edited video is you will remake the video with your call to action. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. Now, depending on what your live stream is and what you're trying to do, another part of the post-production process may be to add music. And you can do that inside of your video editing screen and going to this link that says audio. And when you do that, what you're going to notice is that you can add or replace audio inside of your video. Now you're not going to be able to add anything from your personal computer to your existing video, but you will be able to add music that is already available on YouTube as either background music or to replace certain audio. So for example, one of the things we can do is we can choose some kind of audio. And if you want to search for a particular genre of music, you can do that by writing this genre in this area, and then you'll get all of the tracks that are going to be related to it. And you can listen to the track by clicking any of the links. You can determine which ones you actually want. You can also sort by the genre that you want. You can do that here. And then once you find the background music that you'd like to place inside of your video, you can then place that video here. Now, one of the things that you can do, you get to the end of your video and you have your end card showing, those are good times to actually add in the music. So what we would do here is we would then click Add to Video of the track that we want to add. We would then pull it to the point in the video where we want it to begin and end. And then we would determine how we want the video to sound. So for example, if we want to favor the music, we would then keep the cursor at this end. If we want it to be background music and we would want our voice to play, then we'll move the cursor more to this end. And then once we finalize our changes, we would then click Save Changes. You'll then see the edit of your video is in progress, and when it is complete, then your video will be ready with new audio. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.